Let's make cakesicles using our new silicone cakesicle mold. First, melt Merckens chocolate melts. Add a spoonful of chocolate to the mold and use one of our candy brushes to paint a coating into the mold. Insert a wooden ice pop stick and place in the refrigerator for about 5 minutes or until they're set up. Paint another coating along the edges and over any spots that didn't get a thick enough coating of chocolate, and then place back in the refrigerator for about 5 minutes. Next, add your cake pop mixture. I just used crumbled cake mixed with a small dollop of frosting because I don't like mine very sweet. You just need to add enough to make the cake crumbles form a dough. Press it into the chocolate coating and top with more melted chocolate. Make sure the chocolate goes all the way to the edges to seal in the cake dough. Tap the mold on your work surface and place it in the refrigerator for about 5 to 10 minutes until they easily release from the mold. And now it's time for my favorite part, decorating. I drizzled with more melted Merckens chocolate and used our wedding white sprinkle mix and our new mini royal icing roses to give these cakesicles the perfect elegant touch. You can find the supplies for this project, like the cakesicle mold and the Merckens chocolate melts and sprinkles, at confectionaryhouse.com.